In this video, you'll learn how to link your Calendly booking link to a Loom video. By following these steps, you will make it easy for viewers to schedule a call with you directly from your video description. Start by accessing your Calendly account. Navigate to the scheduling section located in the main menu, and from there, select event types to view your available event options. Once you are on the event types page, look for the button labeled Copy Link. Click this button to copy your unique Calendly booking link to your clipboard. This link is essential for allowing viewers to schedule appointments with you. Next, open the Loom video that you want to edit. You can do this by logging into your Loom account and selecting the specific video from your library. Once the video is open, you will see options for editing video details. Look for the button labeled Edit and click on it to access the editing interface. This step is crucial as you will be adding your Calendly link in this section. After clicking Edit, locate the area labeled Description within the video details. This is where you will paste your Calendly link. To do this, simply right-click in the text box and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Control+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Ensure that your link is formatted correctly. For example, it should look like this. Book a call with me here, https://calendly.com/urain/event. Once you have pasted your link into the description field, take a moment to review your text to ensure everything is accurate. After confirming that your Calendly link is correctly entered, look for the button labeled Save and click it. This action will save all the changes you made to the video details, including your newly added. Now that you have successfully linked your Calendly booking link to your Loom video, viewers can easily click on the link directly under the video. This integration streamlines the process for scheduling appointments and enhances the overall user experience. Remember to test the link to ensure it redirects to the correct Calendly page before sharing your video with others. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.